Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we continue with chapter 8, part number 4. So we continue with this one. The, so now we have the sound. Okay, so again the sound from the biophysical perspective. Okay, so we have this. Okay, so these are the anatomy of the ear. Okay, so we have the outer ear here, middle ear, and inner ear. So the wave coming through this ear canal, hitting this eardrum, and this eardrum will producing a signal, and this signal will be sent to uh, as a signal into our brain. Okay, so these are the anatomy of the ear. Okay, so the sense of hearing in human is intended to record sound and transform it into an electrical signal. The nerves send the signal to the brain. Okay, and the brain can interpret the signal. Okay, the human ear acts as sound recording with an enormous range of intensity. Okay, so the wavelength, uh, Okay, so the sound intensity I of A equal to P over A. So where P is the power divided by the sound wave. Okay, so every sound wave has a power, and this A is the cross sectional area of the our ear canal or our ear drum. So if A is decreased, so I will increase. Okay, so meaning that here the person who has a very small uh, ear canal, we can hear more clearly. Okay. Okay. So in order to for the signal to be interpreted, so we have the ratio of pressure amplitude. So this P over P what? So this one. Where is the type? Okay, the over divert. So compensate for signal loss due to impedance mismatch. Okay, so again this one we are using the physics from the physics, so we can uh, find increase the signal. Okay, the mechanical structure of the optical is designed to damp high force level produced on the over window by loud sound. Okay, so here you can see that we can control the or our ear can control the sound so that it will be safe. Our organ will be safe from the loud sound. Okay, so that is for the sound biophysics. So next is nervous system. So we sometimes we are going nervous. So the brain will produce some signal saying that we are nervous. Okay, so here part of the brain. So these are thalamus. So we can read here, or you can read here, and on control sensor. Hypothalamus controls the sleep and arousal. Medulla oblongata control blood pressure. Cerebellum controls the coordination of muscle and so every part of the brain has its function. Okay, so again this one specific area of the brain lobe. So you can see here is control the memory, speech, uh, visual, movement, visual image, area, speech, sensor, motor and motor control, auxiliary, master. Okay, so we can see these are these. Okay, so the nervous system. The central nervous system, which consists of the brain and the spinal cord, is surrounded by the skull and the vertebrae of the spinal column. It receives input from sense organ, interpret information, and generate response. The cerebral nervous system is located outside the skull and spinal column and consists of bundle of long axon and dendrite or nerve. Two types of neuron. So motor neuron carry message from the central nervous system to muscle and gland, and sensory neuron carry input from sense organ to the central nervous system. Okay, so here you can see that this one getting the signal, and this one is sending. This one sending the signal so that we can move to the muscle. Okay, so these are the neuron. So these are from dendrite goes to the give the impulse through the nerve cell. So and it will end at this muscle or at the sensor of our body. Okay, so we can say this is the neuron. Okay, so the nerve impulse, so you can see here the nucleus. So we have this polarized, depolarized, polarized. So we can see that the movement of this polarized and depolarization throughout this neuron will send the impulse to the either to our brain or from the brain to our muscle or our body. Okay, so when a nerve cell is stimulated, a small portion of the cell membrane depolarizes as natrium ion flow into the cell through the membrane. This encourages the depolarization of an adjacent portion of the membrane, and it depolarizes a short time later. In this way, a wave of depolarization passes down the length of the nerve cell. Shortly after a portion of the membrane is depolarized, the ionic balance is established. It is repolarized and ready to be stimulated again. Okay, so this is how the signal is being transmitted from our sensor to our brain or from our brain to the muscle. So these are the last one, the immune system. Okay, so just like in our COVID-19, so we need to produce the immunity from this virus COVID-19. So these are the immune system of our the composition of our immune system. Okay, so immune system is from the blood. Okay, so we can see from our blood the plasma quantity present 55%, maintain good nature. So here we have this as our immune system, the white blood, the lymphocyte, monocyte, neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils. So then this one will be our immune system. It will produce more if we are sick, okay, to kill, or we have a lot of virus in our blood. Okay, so this white blood will try to kill the virus. Okay, so that is for the end for chapter number 8.